Welcome to the MetaTrader tutorial by FBS, a place to fill in all the blanks about one of the world's most popular trading platforms. In this video, you will learn how to open your first trade in MT5. Let's start with logging in. But before that, make sure you have an FBS trading account. Check the video in the description on how to create one. If you're an FBS trader and have MT5 downloaded and installed, proceed with login. Next, click New Order or press F9 on your keyboard to open a new window. Then select the currency pair, for example Euro-USD, and set the trade volume, the number of lots you wish to trade. Choose a pending order type to place an order, or choose market order if you want to open a trade with the current market price. Please watch the previous video to learn more about the different order types available in MetaTrader. You can also find this information in the description below. When the trade is on, monitor it in real time on the chart and wait for your profits. Go to the Trade tab and double-click your order to close the trade. Click the yellow bar to close the trade and add the profit to your account. For faster execution, you can enable one-click trading. When you're on the chart, right-click it and select one-click trading. So now you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on trading in MetaTrader. Remember to learn as much as possible about the platform and how it works. Be consistent in your trading, and feel free to contact the FBS support team for any assistance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of the MT tutorial by FBS.